Have you ever witnessed a star explosion, imagined the fiery spectacle of a celestial body's end? In the vast expanse of the cosmos, stars live and stars die. This cycle may seem perpetual, but every once in a while, the universe offers us a front-row seat to one of its most impressive performances, a nova, an event so grand it lights up the night sky in a brilliant display of cosmic fireworks. A nova, or a star explosion, is a cataclysmic nuclear event that occurs in a binary star system where one star leaches matter off its companion, eventually causing a dramatic explosion. This spectacle, as destructive as it sounds, is a testament to the universe's unending dance of creation and destruction. But what if I told you that we're about to witness this cosmic spectacle firsthand? Yes, you heard right. This isn't a tale from a distant galaxy or a future light years away. This is happening right here in our cosmic neighborhood. In the constellation of Corona Borealis, a star known to us as TCRB is on the brink of a grand finale. Astronomers predict that this star, a ticking time bomb, is set to explode in a nova event by September of 2024. Now, this isn't just any star. TCRB is a recurring nova, a rare species of star that has exploded in the past and is set to do so again. Its last performance was back in the early 20th century, and it has been building up to its next big show ever since. So, what does this mean for us, you ask? Well, for 1 week, this star will outshine every other star in the night sky, visible to the naked eye from anywhere on our planet. A new star, lighting up our night sky in a spectacle that is truly once in a lifetime. Get ready to mark your calendars as we are about to embark on a journey to explore this once-in-a-lifetime event. So what exactly happens when a star explodes? Why does this cosmic spectacle occur? You might be wondering. Well, let's dive into the celestial mechanics behind the birth of a nova. A star like our own sun spends most of its life in a phase known as the main sequence, where it's happily burning hydrogen into helium. But as time goes on, the star exhausts its hydrogen fuel. It's at this point that things start to get really interesting. The core of the star collapses under its own gravity, heating up immensely. The outer layers of the star expand due to this heat, transforming the star into a red giant. Now, if the star is massive enough, it will continue to collapse under its own weight, triggering a series of nuclear reactions that create heavier and heavier elements. Eventually, the star reaches a point where it can't sustain these nuclear reactions anymore. The core collapses one final time, and in a fraction of a second, the star explodes in a supernova. But wait, we're not talking about a supernova here, we're talking about a nova, right? Indeed, we are. A nova is a slightly different beast. It involves a white dwarf and a companion star. The white dwarf siphons off material from its companion, accumulating it on its surface. As this layer of stolen material gets denser and denser, pressure and temperature build up until, boom, a nuclear explosion occurs on the surface of the white dwarf, creating a dazzling nova. This explosion is so powerful that it can be seen from Earth, even though it's happening light years away. The energy released is equivalent to 1 billion of our suns, all shining at once. Just imagine that. And that's how a nova is born. A cosmic dance between two stars, leading to one of the most spectacular shows the universe has to offer. The stage is set, the star is ready, and we're about to witness the dramatic finale of this celestial saga. Our protagonist for this cosmic event is none other than TCRB. But what makes this star so special? Well, let's dive right in. TCRB, or T Coronae Borealis, as it is officially known, is an intriguing character in our celestial narrative. It's a binary star system located in the constellation of Corona Borealis, the Northern Crown. This system consists of a red giant star and a white dwarf, locked in a cosmic dance about 2,000 light-years away from us. The red giant is a star that has exhausted the supply of hydrogen in its core and has expanded to a size much larger than our Sun. On the other hand, the white dwarf is a stellar remnant, a star that has burnt out and collapsed under its own gravity to a size similar to Earth. Despite their size difference, these two stars orbit each other closely, with the white dwarf siphoning off material from its larger companion. Now, why is TCRB's explosion so significant, you ask? Normally, a star's explosion or a nova is a pretty common event in the vast universe. But TCRB isn't your run-of-the-mill star. It's known as a recurrent nova, which means it has exploded before and will do so again. The last two recorded explosions were in 1866 and 1946, and we're on the brink of witnessing the third one in September 2024. This upcoming explosion is expected to be so bright that TCRB will become one of the most luminous objects in the night sky, visible to the naked eye for about a week. It's a rare opportunity to witness a star's dramatic transformation. And there's more. The recurrent explosions of TCRB provide invaluable insights into the life cycles of stars, the dynamics of binary systems, and the processes involved in stellar explosions. They are a treasure trove for astronomers and a spectacle for stargazers. As TCRB prepares for its grand exit, we're lucky enough to have front-row seats to this celestial spectacle. So mark your calendars and get ready for the stellar show of a lifetime. How can we, as mere spectators on Earth, witness this grand event? You may wonder. Well, it's simpler than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through it. The celestial spectacle of a nova explosion is one of the most magnificent shows the universe has to offer, and it's coming to a sky near you. In September of 2024, the star TCRB, also known as Coronae Borealis, is expected to explode, painting a brilliant portrait in our night sky. This spectacular event will be visible to the naked eye from all corners of our planet. To enhance your viewing experience and ensure you don't miss a moment of this once-in-a-lifetime event, there are a few key considerations to bear in mind. Firstly, the time of viewing is vital. The explosion will be most visible during the darkest hours of the night, when city lights are dimmed and the moon is not too bright. Ideally, you'd want to venture out in the middle of the night, between midnight and the early hours of dawn. Next, location is crucial. While the explosion will be visible worldwide, those in rural areas or locations with less light pollution will have the best view. So if you're a city dweller, it might be worth planning a little trip to the countryside to really take in the spectacle. And for those of you with a keen interest in astronomy, you could enhance your viewing experience by using a simple pair of binoculars or a small telescope. While these are not necessary to witness the event, they can certainly add a layer of detail and excitement to the experience. Finally, remember to be patient. The explosion will not be a quick flash, but will unfold over a week, growing brighter each night until it reaches its peak. So take your time, let your eyes adjust to the darkness, and enjoy the show. With these tips in mind, you're all set to witness one of the universe's most dramatic performances. What happens after the show is over? What remains after a star has exploded? These are questions that linger in our minds as we marvel at the grandeur of the cosmos. A nova explosion like the one we're anticipating from TCRB is not just an end, but also a beginning. It's a cosmic dance where a star bows out only to set the stage for other celestial phenomena. It's a dramatic farewell, yes, but it leaves a legacy that continues to shape the universe long after the star has dimmed. So what does this legacy look like? In the aftermath of a star explosion, a nebula is usually formed. This nebula, a vast cloud of dust and gas, is a cosmic nursery. It's here where new stars are born, continuing the cycle of stellar evolution. The elements that were once part of the exploded star now become building blocks for new stars, planets, and possibly life. This process is a testament to the interconnectedness of the universe. Every star, every planet, every galaxy is a part of this grand cosmic symphony, playing its part in the evolution of the universe. An exploding star then is not just a spectacle to behold, it's a reminder of our shared cosmic heritage. The importance of these events in cosmic evolution cannot be overstated. They are fundamental processes that shape the universe as we know it. They are reminders of the ever-changing nature of the cosmos, where endings and beginnings are two sides of the same cosmic coin. So, as we eagerly await the explosion of TCRB, let's not just see it as an end, let's see it as part of the ongoing, ever-evolving cosmic story. As we anticipate the grand spectacle of TCRB's explosion, let's remember that every end is a new beginning in the cosmos. This event is not just about witnessing a star's final bow, but about understanding the profound legacy it leaves behind. A legacy that's integral to the cosmic dance, where stars, galaxies, and perhaps even life itself continue to emerge and evolve.